Hello everybody. This is Monty with Flowers by the Bunch. Today I have an order for a dozen yellow roses, so I thought I would put those together for you. I'm going to start out, this is just a glass vase filled with fresh water, and it has fresh flower food in the water. This is leather leaf, just traditional leather leaf. I am just going to green out the vase with a little bit of leather leaf. I like to use leather leaf just because it's a really good base. Now you can use any kind of foliage that you would like. Right now with the cost of goods, leather leaf is just fairly inexpensive and it works just fine. Now I always like to add a pretty foliage on top, and you'll see me do that today with this arrangement. So I have got my leather placed in the vase. Next I'm going to come in with some pretty other greens. So today, this is the first time I've ever really worked with it. This is olive foliage, which it's really pretty. It's different. I've never used it before. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut it in smaller pieces. The thing I really like about it is I like that it has a little bit of a white backing to those leaves. It's different. It's pretty. And so I'm going to tuck a little bit of this olive foliage in here. Now for me, I find it's always easier to make an arrangement if you place your foliage in first. Now, especially with roses, because you know, roses don't want to stand up. They want to flop over, especially when you're only using roses. And so that's why I always like to use a vase of greenery. All right, so there's my olive. So next I'm going to come in with a little bit, I'm going to set this to the side, with my filler flower. So this is solidago, and I'm going to use that next. Now for me, I just find that my roses are going to stand up better if I go ahead and add everything in first. And like I said, that's completely your preference. It's not right or wrong if you don't do it this way. All right, so there is my vase, and it's ready for my roses. I'm going to set it to the side, and I'm going to wire 12 yellow roses. I'm going to take off any guard petals, and I have my wires ready here. All right, so I got all of my roses wired, and I am going to start by placing my tallest rose first. So I like to kind of come down in a pyramid shape, or in a kind of a diamond shape, I guess. And so I just kind of staggered these roses down. And you just be sure that you have roses all the way around in the vase. But you see how much that foliage helps with keeping those roses in place. It just makes all the difference in the world, in my opinion. All right, now that I've got my roses placed, I am going to add just a little bit of this spiral eucalyptus, and it's just because I think it's pretty. And so this is called baby blue euc or spiral euc. It's just going to give us just a different texture tucked into this arrangement. And it smells so pretty. All right, and last, I am going to tie a bow to place on our arrangement. Push this to the side. I chose this lemon printed, it's kind of a burlap or a khaki base, and then it's got little lemons on it. I just thought it was very pretty and perfect for all these yellow roses. So I am going to tie a quick bow. If you want to see how we tie bows, I have got videos on both Facebook, and I also have a video on, I've got a post about it on our blog, and you can find a link to both of those places right down below. I'm taking a piece of wire and I am just tying that bow off. And you're just going to fluff that ribbon. I don't think I have any scissors. I'm just putting a wood pick onto this bow so that I can tuck it over into the arrangement. He's grabbing me a pair of scissors. Thank you, sir. This is a prettier side, so I'm going to just tuck that bow right there in the front. And you're just going to fluff it up. There we go. There's a dozen yellow roses, so it's pretty all the way around. And you can always adjust them a little bit to make them, place them where you want them. But there you go. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video this afternoon. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting us here on YouTube. If you are interested in more content like this, you can always follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, and on our blog. And that's all linked down below. Guys, have a great afternoon. We'll see you soon.